suffering from periods pain, not able to sleep comfortably at night, painful periods, overbleeding, tried all the treatments, no solution, then I have brought 5 very easy and quick asanas for your solution. First asana, Baddha Konasana. Come in this sitting position. Take a support behind your hips. Place it in such a way that your lower body gets that support. With the support of both your elbows, slowly lie on your back. If you have any clip or anything that hurts you on your head, try to remove it. Now bring both your legs, your feet in Namaskar position and try to press your thighs more towards the floor. Both knees getting pressed towards the floor. Try to practice here, stay here for 10 to 20 seconds. This variation is really beneficial for lower back pain and cramps. It works on your uterus and gives immense relief in your pain. Now the second asana that we'll practice is Matsyasana, fish pose. Come in this lying down position. Now place your elbows, your hands inside your hips. With the support of your elbows, lift your upper body up and see that your crown region touches the floor. Stretch both your legs straight and stay here for 20 seconds. This pose eases out lower back pain and cramps, also removes the stiffness from your hips. Slowly release and come back. The next pose is Bal Kridasana. Fold both your legs from your knees. Slowly try to bend your knees, bring your legs towards your abdomen and try to hold your toes. Yes, in such a way that your thighs are parallel to the floor and your knee and ankle are just perpendicular to the floor. This asana is amazing for opening up your hips and pelvic floor, gives a good activation for the abdomen organs and relaxes muscle contractions. The fourth asana is Upavishta Konasana. Spread both your legs on your sides. Now very slowly stretch yourself in front as much as you can. You can stay here. If possible, try to hold your toes and bend a bit forward. This asana stretches your reproductive region and helps release the pain through the hip openings. The last asana is Balasana. So sit in Vajrasana and create the distance between both your legs, gap between both your legs. Place both your hands on the floor and keep walking in front. See that you bend forward. At a comfortable distance, try to place your body, your chin, your forehead on the floor. This asana opens up the pelvic floor and hips. Great stretch and massage for the abdomen region. Balances your menstrual disorder. All these asanas eases out your pain and has a restorative and therapeutic effects. So that was all from this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep practicing, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.